Watch out, world! New fit coming through! Best day ever! It's almost 8? Oh, out of my way! Hey! Watch where you're going! Huh? My new shirt! It's ruined! Great! And what's this? Oh, gross. Or maybe not. What's that? Chicken wire? Finders keepers! Check this out. This tissue is about to become a lot prettier. Now stick it in one of the holes. Keep going. Cool. It's like a tissue bouquet. Gorgeous. Just have to give it a latch. Good thing I have ribbon handy. There. Watch out, world. The new fit is coming through. Hi. And it's one of a kind.
Huh? Lexi, is that you? Your top is sick!
I know! Aw, I want one of those. Oh yeah! Time to get my paint on! Nice color, too. I'll finish just in time for lunch. Yes! New shoes, who dis? So fresh and clean. All done! Phew! That's enough blue for now. Ugh. Huh? Is that paint? My bad. My shoe! Ah!
I'm so sorry. It'll be okay, right, friend?
Say what?
Okay.
Gimme! What? Okay, I guess. Oh boy. Okay, they're all yours.
We've got work to do. Ready? This won't hurt a bit. In fact, say hello to your new home. Get in there, guys. Yeah, awesome. And this side, nice. Gotta have a second one to match. Just look. These furry friends are ready for a walk. Impressed?
They're so cute! And I can't see the paint at all. Just a bunch of cute little faces. Aw, I love them! Woohoo!
At least I still have one. Hehe.
Wait, that jacket is so cute. Such a cool color, too. What? So weird. Huh? A feather? How odd. Okay, moving on. Lexi? Huh? No! They're all coming out! I got him! Or maybe not. Shoo! So many feathers. I know. I'll fix it. Tape to the rescue! Get in there! Ta-da! Achoo! Ugh. What? That's not cute. No? I miss my jacket. Wait, maybe I can help. Okay, great. Trust me. I'm about to turn this feather problem into a feather solution. It's all about working with what you've got. And in our case, that's feathers. They'll bring this poodle to life. See its tail? It's a feather. And there's another one over here. But it's no poodle. It's a dachshund. And here's another cute doggo. So cute. Look at this guy. Noses for days. So cute, right? My gosh! It's better with feathers! Almost like it came this way. No one will notice a thing, other than it being super cute. They're everywhere, look! You're welcome. Uh-oh. Achoo! Phew. No worries. It's all good.
While Lily is hard at work, Vicky seems to be more focused on her new nails. So glad I went with candy apple red. Ugh, come on. No! I just got these done! I can't believe this. It's okay, Vic. It's just a nail. Here, do you want the last sip of my soda? That's kind of gross, but you're sweet to offer. Thanks. Nothing like a little sugar to cure the blues, right? Wait a second. This red bottle matches my nails. Maybe I can do something to fix this awful situation. First, cut the plastic bottle down the middle like this. Then take off the bottom part of the wrapper and remove it from the plastic it's attached to. Now snag a pair of scissors and cut the plastic ring. Wrap the plastic tightly around a pin like this. Keep going till it's wrapped tightly all the way around. Once you run out of plastic to wrap, secure it closed with a thin piece of tape. Drop it in a little bowl and fill it with piping hot water. Fill it up all the way. After some time passes and the water cools off a bit, you can take the little plastic piece out. Get rid of the bowl and cut the plastic long ways. Now flip it around and do the same thing on the other side. There you go! See all those plastic pieces? All you need is one for this one. Nail glue will serve as the base of your new acrylic nail. Now take the plastic and place it over your nail. And add some nail polish to top things off. Hey, that looks pretty good! And you'd never guess it wasn't part of the original set, would you? That was a close call. Check it out! It's official! You're the most fabulous girl in class, Vicky. Oh man, I'm so tired. I just had such a long night. Look how cool this club was. Wow, that place is awesome! But as most girls know, the end of the night means it's time to take off all that makeup. And seeing what Vicky has on, this is gonna be a process. At least she has a lot to talk to Lily about in the meantime. Do you know how to get this sparkly stuff off me? Ooh, think I could snag a piece of that tape? Thank you! Looks like Vicky is creating her own makeup removal tool. Can I get a snip? Okay, hopefully this will work a little better. And it looks like the glitter is actually sticking to the tape. Very nice. I wonder what else this stuff can do. Looks like another school picture day is upon us. Come on, the more we wait, the more nervous we're gonna get. Sophia, you're up. Yikes. Didn't you get any sleep last night, Lily? I don't know how I'm gonna stay awake for this. I look okay to take my picture, right? Have you not looked in a mirror yet today, Lily? Oh no! These bags under my eyes are atrocious! I have concealer, but I'm not sure it's the right color for you. But this lipstick ought to do the trick. This stuff's gonna save the day, trust me. What? Lipstick for my eye bags? I'll give anything a try at this point. If you have dark bags under your eyes, red lipstick can be used to cancel out the color. Simply dab it on lightly just like this. Once that's done, use a blending brush to smooth things out. Yep, just like that. Pretty soon the colors will start to cancel each other out. But to combat that leftover color, dab some concealer on top. Once you've dabbed that stuff on, blend it in with your brush. Looking good. Hey, your bags are gone, Lily. That's one awesome trick. Hey, looks like they're ready for you. Vicky saved your butt today, Lily, but next year, try to get some sleep before the big day.
What's in there? Hey girl, hey! Ugh, come on! Help me! Oh no! My chips! Oops. Sorry about that. Ugh. My jeans! My bad. Or maybe it's okay. I have an idea. See these stains? Let's talkie about it. Or rather, craft about it. Just watch. It'll stick right on. Use a whole bunch of them. I can even use the bag. Talkie about some themed pants. All done. And you're rocking them, Lexi! I love a happy accident. And I love these pants! Yes! I love my tennies. But they just don't go. Heels to the rescue. And these are a special pair. See? They're just fabulous! Talk about an upgrade! Wow! But what's with the gap? Aren't they my size? Huh? Oh no! But I ordered a 37! Ugh, tennies it is. Hello, I have a complaint.
Well, what do we have here? Mommy's high heels? They're so pretty. I wonder if they're my size. I'm so tall. Ooh, whoa! Now what? I want them to fit. Hey, Mommy's makeup. Ooh, wow. I can put these in here. They're like little toe pillows. Am I brilliant or what? Now they fit like a glove. Well, almost. Ugh, no fair. Unless I just need a couple things. Bingo! Great, but I need more. Ta-da! Perfect! Let the layering begin! Getting a little tight, but that's what we want. Test drive time! Well, still too big. But how? I'm so frustrated! Oh. Wait a minute. Straps! Of course! Why didn't I think of this before? Okay, moment of truth. This is totally working! Fabulous! I can't believe it! Mom?
Huh?
Mom, look! I fit in your shoes!
Huh?
They're way better with straps!
That's pretty smart. Anyway, excuse me. So much good stuff. Oh, is this tonight? Woohoo! But my clothes! Ugh, great. I need something way fancier. Let's see. Nothing but jeans and t-shirts. This? No! Maybe purple? Ugh, no way. What about this? Ugh, Mom! Ooh, drum solo. Oh, hi. Is that a dress? I need that! This is my jam! Mom? Hello? My favorite part. That voice is like butter. Mom, no! Stop the cycle! No, please stop! What? Are you okay? Forget it. Lexi, I just want to be cute at the dance! My clothes are so old and boring! I can't go to this now, see? Oh, that's too bad. But I can help. Really? You like red, right? How about this? Just hold still now, okay? It's all about careful draping. Just gather the material like this. Then pull it through here.
Cool!
See what I mean? Now for a strap. Ta-da! Very chic.
Wow!
One more thing. A little sparkle. It'll bring it all together. There. Done!
Wow! Phew, that's more like it. Is this gorgeous or what?
My daughter's so beautiful! You can borrow this too. Thank you! Bye! Bye, honey! Oh, that was a lot. What's that? It's so sparkly. This would have been nice to have. Oh well. Find any of these hacks useful? Be sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.